Hello everyone. The topic we will learn for this time consists of 4 items as follows. Through these contents, we can understand kinds of test technique and their contents. Number 1. Overview. One of the purposes of testing is to detect defects and errors, and one of the ways of improving system quality is to detect as many defects as possible. Test technique is used to find test case with high possibility of detecting failure among countless number of possible inputs. According to the foundation of creating test cases, test technique can be classified into intuition and experience-based technique, specification-based technique, and code-based technique. Intuition and experience-based technique. Meanwhile, using specification-based technique is called Blackbox Testing, and using code-based technique is called Whitebox Testing. Let's take a look at the black box testing more closely. Black box testing is a test technique focused on corresponding result to input without considering design method or system component inside. Black box testing deducts test cases by analyzing the contents of requirement and specification. In order to check if system function works properly, select effective input specified in the requirement or specification. Also, you can select ineffective inputs to check if system properly responds to unprocessable inputs as well. Black box testing can be applied to where requirement or specification exist, such as unit, integration, system, and acceptance testing. Next, whitebox testing is a technique of conducting a test in consideration of implementation method of inside of system or system components. Whitebox testing is also called structural testing or glass box testing, and opposite in meaning to black box testing. Whitebox testing should analyze system implementation contents. Therefore, unlike black box testing, basic knowledge in programming is needed. Test cases can be deducted based on found execution paths of programs recognized through systems analysis and input values for executing certain paths. Like the black box testing, white box testing can be applied at all levels of system development, and developer oneself knows the execution paths and structures of test target program best, so it can be used for unit testing that is conducted by the developer.